Young cub clearly wants what the older cub has. The young cub refuses to relent. The older cub gets angry. Finally, the big parent cub takes the little cub away and says, "You already had 2 crackers." The older cub momentarily enjoys his peace from the younger cub, who no doubt will go right back to antagonizing the older cub, as we see here. Oh! The younger cub does not understand why her brother won't share. The older cub arrogantly eats the cracker in front of the younger cub. The older cub is showing restraint right now. A grunt and a kick momentarily stops the younger cub's advances.